right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And yes, today I'm going to be plating with my students. So we're going to do like 3 people on one head. But yes, I always first teach them how to do it, and then after you can see all the results on how they're also going to do it. So today we're going to see on how to do the Coco twist, but this time around my clients wanted something that is very simple. Yes, we have been seeing Coco twists like the way they are. Some are very packed, and others like it is different, is totally different. So now I'm trying to do something that is different for her, and that's why we are trying to we're going to try to make it something very simple. So for me, what I always do is to make my 3 straight lines, like both sides. Yes, she can do the middle way, the sideways from the left, and the sideway from the right. So those are the main 3 points that I always choose for my styles most of the times when I'm going to do a freestyle hair. So she wanted something like the Coco twist, since it is trending, but for her she wants something that is simple, not like the other one. So I would want you to give me a time so that you can see what is going to come out when you want to do something simple. First and foremost, you need to know that the hair extension that you're going to add in the hair is equivalent to the hair that you're parting. So that is one thing that you always need to know, that yes, according to the hair extension that we're going to be using, those ones who have seen the Coco twist, the hair extension is always very soft, and the way it becomes like, if you try to add it a very big one, please try to mind even the parting of your boxes, because when they are a lot on the head still, it is also not that good. So you just have to make sure at least you maintain the simplicity as we're going to see here. So first and foremost, like I always tell you, for me, when I'm doing from down, yes, we can do the knotless method, and I'm going to be showing you that even if when I reach a certain point, I change from the knotless, and then I do the inward knotless. So let's start from the first line and see how it's supposed to be. And I know most of you know how to use this method, and this is the knotless method. So after adding our gel, yes, the molding gel, most of you guys, you can use different gels. It is very fine as long as it helps you as in holding the hair. Now here you can see I'm just trying to make sure that I'm doing the knotless, but this is the normal knotless that we always do, and this is how I'm adding. We all know how to do this, I guess. Yes, those of us who don't know, I don't know which world you're in, but trust me, everyone knows how to do this method at least. So what I was trying to tell you, that make sure at least the extension that you're adding should be the equivalent to the parting that we have added. If they're small, please also don't try to make the extension to be very big, because they're going to be a load on someone's head, and most people don't like huge things. They want to maintain that simplicity. So that is how it is. And after you have just joined, you just make sure that you do the twisting just like that, and then you just have to make sure that at least you twist, you over twist where the hair is, and when you see that the hair is done, then other parts you just have to twist it normally, just as soft as possible. Yes, don't over twist it to overshow the twisting. That's how you're going to achieve the Coco twist, and this is how it is. So you just measure and how you want it to look like, and then you just bring it back just this way as you're locking it up. So this is how you do it, like the first line and the second line. So you're going to be seeing, like when I reach like in the middle, how we change the plating. So let's try to look here. This line is also, it can also be on the knotless format. Yeah, you can still use the knotless. Now my student is going to show you how she's also doing it. But if you try to look at her, she's doing this once, twice, and thrice. So I think she's doing this because she's in the middle, and when you're in the middle, the hair is a lot. So she's trying to, since we are following the simplicity, no need to add on from the beginning, because it might be very, it might be big, it might be very, okay, sorry, it might be very big. So she's trying to add in like after plating like 3 times. Yeah, I think you have seen how it is. Then after, she just add into the hair extensions. Yes, for those ones who watch the videos up to the end, I probably add everything that you need to know about the hair extensions. I don't know why those comments keep on coming when you find someone's asking about the hair extension that I always use, but trust me, you will have to find it in the video. So after I told you, when you're trying to add in the hair, you make sure that you twist it very well so that the hair is all inside. But after you have seen the hair is done, then you can twist it normally. Not like, make sure that you don't show the twisting, like the twist. You understand? Like the twist shouldn't be that neat. Yes, so that's how it is. All right, so now of course for me, when I reach here in front, like on top, what I do, I change the plating. So you can look here, I'm trying to do it this way, and I braid this upward. So now this is the inward knotless braiding. So you just braid it this way, and then you add in from down, just like that. You get it? So this one gives me that arrangement when you find like the ones that are coming from down are going to be looking upwards, and now these ones in front, they're also going to be looking like showing the direction of going behind. So if this person would want to hold a puff, there is no tension at all. There is no tension at all. Yes, because the I'm following the directions of the braids, like if she is trying to hold a puff. So this is what I do whenever I reach in front. I make sure that I change the method of from knotless braiding to inward knotless, where I think you can see how it looks like. Yes, very, very nice. Also, you can see, yes, just like that. So now you just have to keep on adding, as the way you can see, from the inward knotless way. So when you're done with that, as we're going to braid, and I've been telling you that whenever you learn this method, trust me, this method lasts longer than any other method when it comes to the inward knotless. So here, make sure that the hair, yes, the hair is all inside, and I'm telling you, like, just try to twist where you're seeing the hair. Then after, when you realize that the hair is all inside, then make sure that you don't make it neat. Yes, make as you twist it as in as soft as possible, not to see the twisted root. Now you can see here, you can see the twisting, but after, when the hair is done in there, then you just have to change on twisting. You get it? So here you can change like that. You see how it is changing. You see how it's changing. Now you can no longer see the twist like the way you have been seeing from the beginning. So this is how you just have to do the Coco twist. Now let's see the last moment, like the last angle. At least you can, I want you to see here very well, so that you can see how my student is also doing very, very well when it comes to the inward knotless braiding. So let's try to see here. After parting, just like that, I always make sure I tell them to part it into 3 portions as usual. 1, 2, and then the other one 3. Then after, just have to braid like that from inside, you can see. Then after, just adds in from inwards, just like that. You see, Yeah, sorry. So now it's done. As you can see, very simple and very nice. You can rate us if you try to look at these cocoa twists and the one you have been saying. Yes, for us, we have followed the simplicity. If you have loved the video, please make sure you give me a like. And if you have any questions, just go right in the comment section. Tell me what you want to know about this hairstyle. Bye bye. My name is Morris, the crochet master, and don't forget our School of Beauty is open. Admission in progress. Come and book your seat so that you get to learn, and I will be there to teach you. Bye bye. See you in my other next video.
The crochet master yabako kolangako ako toto wansa beauty na chichayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, oh na 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 na. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. Crochet master, he got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah.